All right, welcome back again. We just concluded the uh, parametric test with ANOVA in our last class. Today, we want to continue. We want to look at the situation whereby the parametric assumption is not met. In this case, we have to switch over to non-parametric test. So last time we worked on this calculable variable called site and aluminium, because both of them, aluminium parametric test was met. All right, so and don't forget we tested other ones. We saw that they don't meet assumptions like a magnesium, as for example, and iron. So we can use any one of them also to see to test to compute the another alternative test for one-way ANOVA, and that is called Kruskal-Wallis. Kruskal-Wallis is an alternative test for ANOVA when the parametric test is not met. So we go back to our past now. Okay, let's say we did for aluminum and then last time. So let's first check here. Let's check our assumption test for. You can see that it's highly significant, 0.0001, which means it fails parametric test assumption. Even if we check even the outlier test, you can see that can see also. So we can use magnesium and sites together here. So if you click here, select this and hold down your control key and select this. So we can use this tool to compute Kruskal-Wallis, which is alternative test to ANOVA when the parametric assumption is not met. All right, so let's go to univariate as usual. Go to ANOVA, click on here, this one. So just go straight to Kruskal-Wallis here. All right. Okay, so this is it. So Kruskal-Wallis test for equal medians. So it's using medians to test, and we have our chi-square here is 19.05, and our p-value is equals to 0.0002. So this is what we have. All right, so it's our result. So there is a significant difference between the sample medians. So for when the assumption is not met. So the same thing has been computed in R before. If you remember, I did the same in R. I used the same data set. If you remember, with magnesium actually, if you check the result in R, look at this R result computed in R. You can see it here. Kruskal-Wallis test. So we have Kruskal-Wallis. You have 19.049. Okay, what do you get here? We get 19.05. So 4905. Look at it, 0.0002671. 0.02671. So same thing we got in R, also got them in past. So you can switch over to this if you don't meet the parametric assumptions for one-way ANOVA. So I think that is that for now. I will see you all in the next class. Thank you so much.